Are you looking for the top ways to make money online that are not scams? Then you are in the right place. We all know or have used the famous website Quora, and you would surely be surprised to know that you can make money remotely from Quora. In today's video, you will be learning about making money online on Quora using any kind of automation or bots, and side by side, we will also teach you a few important details that you should know before you start working on Quora. So without wasting precious time, let us begin. Step 1. Create a free account on Quora. The first step would require you to sign up on this website as an individual account. After creating a free account on Quora, you will then have to ask questions on topics that are hyped up or always on a trend, or any questions that have the potential of gaining lots of searches, and then people will come up with answers and opinions. The whole purpose of asking a question is that when you ask a question and someone responds, then you automatically become eligible to respond to them. From there, you can send them to the link of your affiliates, and if they come and sign up with your mates, then you will get paid directly. So now you are aware of how this is going to work. Stay with us, there's a lot more to come. Step 2. Set up an account on JasperToolbot.com. After you're done creating and finalizing your account on Quora, you will need to sign up on JasperToolbot.com. And this tool will assist you in generating a vast amount of questions you will be asking on Quora. But before we head on further, let us have a brief intro about JasperToolbot.com and how it works. Overall, the Jasper Toolbot product is an excellent investment for people who want to save time and money by outsourcing their content. Their service is built to help you produce high-quality copy with few or no mistakes at all while reducing your risk of making errors when writing. Jasper AI offers over 50+ content templates for you, making it the perfect solution for any blogger or business owner needing help with an SEO-friendly blog post, ad campaigns, email subject lines, social media copywriting, and much more. The AI-generated output produced by Jasper Toolbot is 99.99% original content that is free of plagiarism. This will also allow you to generate high-quality content that is also SEO optimized in a fraction of the time you usually would. The real power lies in boss mode, which unlocks the long-form assistant, allowing you to write total blog posts, marketing emails, or even entire books. Another great thing about this tool is that you will not have to guide everything. You will just need to input the niche or general idea on which you want questions, and this AI tool will come up with such outstanding questions that you will be shocked to see. On this tool, you can create the questions yourself and use AI bots to do the task. All you have to do is go on Jasper Toolbot, select the Engaging Questions option, then type the topic name or general niche you would like to have questions on, and there you go. So many relevant questions are coming your way. You can save questions on a Word file or Google Sheet anywhere you like, so you can post them on Quora or other social media apps later. Step 3. Create an account on PhantomBusterBot.com. You are almost halfway to completing this method of generating income on autopilot. Before getting onto the guide, here are a few things regarding PhantomBusterBot.com that you must know. This website, PhantomBusterBot, is a cloud-based data extraction software designed to help businesses automate sales and marketing processes by scraping valuable data from different social media apps such as Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other online platforms. The application allows users to save all data in the cloud in CSV or JSON formats. Critical features of PhantomBusterBot include email address extraction, disparate data collection, document extraction, IP address extraction, image extraction, phone number extraction, web data extraction, and pricing extraction. It lets users schedule and trigger actions including auto-following profiles, auto-liking posts, sending customized messages, accepting requests, and more. PhantomBusterBot sends notifications about various automation to team members via emails, Slack, or within the application. The platform offers built-in templates which enable marketing managers to build advanced workflows that trigger launches at specified times or events. After you've dealt with the previous step of Jasper Toolbot, you'll now sign up for a free account on PhantomBusterBot.com, which is also known as PhantomBusterBot. Here you will go up to Solutions and look for the Quora option. Since you are automating your engagement with other accounts on Quora, this can be done by clicking the options of Quora followers on this website. From there, we can easily find which accounts are getting tons of engagement. To do this, you'd simply go on Quora, type your niche or subject, then charges will appear who are getting attention around that niche. Then you will copy the followers of that account and click on the Paste option. Click the Collect Follower button on the PhantomBusterBot website, and PhantomBusterBot will start collecting the followers. The exact process will be repeated by a bunch of other profiles as well. While you're doing this, make sure you have turned on the auto follow button so every time you copy and paste the followers on phantombusterbot.com, the bot will automatically start collecting followers. After we start to follow them, they would be able to see our questions, which would certainly be relevant to them. Then you can simply copy your affiliate's link and provide you with people you are talking with or following on Quora. Step 4. Completing automation and generating revenue. By now, you have seen all the necessary automation that you are going to make using different types of websites in order to earn money online with Quora. Let me remind you that Quora is one of the most visited platforms as of now, and it is often top-rated by Google due to the vast type of questions and opinions present on this platform. So there is no chance that by following the above steps, you are not going to generate a handsome income. It can be challenging in the beginning, but once you figure it out and get it straight, then it's all a win-win. Although you can send anonymous responses, comments, or report any content, it is necessary to reveal your identity. The names used in the accounts cannot be pseudonyms. Although there is no verification of characters, the other platform employees can make complaints in case of doubt. So you have to be very vigilant while using bots for Quora. In other words, users can follow up on questions and offer responses as well. This part of the video is a great piece of information to let you know how the financing and payments of Quora work. Despite being a site focused on opinions, it manages to maintain the quality of the content without restrictions on themes. This is because administrators do moderation and other users can vote against the post, which works as a filter. The Quora community finally votes on an answer, either positive or negative, similar to another popular social platform, for instance, Reddit. The answers with the most positive votes are highlighted and viewed the most. In the year 2021, Quora announced a program to begin allowing its users to earn money from their content. With Quora Premium, every user agrees to pay for a $5 per month subscription service or a $50 one-time payment for a whole year to access such paid content. This subscription money is then allocated and 95% of it is distributed among the content creators. This subscription service will exist in parallel to the existing free question answers and other content, with a business model similar to its competitors like Substack and Ghost. The heart of Quora questions, the questions that catch interest, the questions that have the power to bring a change in the world, or questions that pertain to a particular individual's life. The success of Quora can be attributed to a powerful and educated user community, an eye-catching user interface, and advanced processes that bring out the best responses that directly benefit the user community. As we near the end, I'd like to add a pro tip here, that whenever you pull out questions and start posting them, make sure you do it on other social media apps as well. This will generate more traffic on your affiliate links and hence the chances of signups boost. That's all for now. Hope you guys understood all the steps very well as they have been guided in the easiest possible way. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Official Money Pill. Also, do let us know in the comments if you have any questions regarding this video. See you in the following video.